how to buy at the low, how to make profit from the trading market, how to follow those big organizations to buy at the low point. Today, I will give you this indicator strategy to teach you how to buy at the low. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to learn more and make more. Click like, subscribe, share with a friend. And also today, I will give you one more trade alert for this stock. Last time I mentioned Meta this stock, I give a trade alert. And that time would be like 4 weeks ago. I will put the link in the end of this video. Please click again why I choose, why I tell you they got a trade alert. And now I will give you another trade alert. Last time I told you Meta, it was about 476 and now it's about 503. So first strategy first, how to buy at the low. I want you to look at the volume. If you don't have my indicator, you can use this method also. So look at the volume. When you have a big volume, okay, when it's big volume, it's not happened by the it's not caused by the individual, right? It has to be caused by the big fund or institution. Okay, so we have the big volume here. So this one is a peak and then it come down. This one big volume here, and then it's a bottom. They go all the way up. This one is also the peak. No, sorry, bottom. So they buy in and then they go up. And here is another bottom here. So right now, how to know this is the bottom or peak? How? If you don't have a method, this is a very, very difficult for individual to signal, right? But if you have my indicator called YM chip entry, you can subscribe by month. You can unsubscribe anytime. You can clearly know this is they are selling or buying, okay? When you have a green candle happening here, it means that big institution, they are buying, okay? And here they don't have, so here they don't have, you see here, and here you have a signal, the green candle signal to say they're buying. I mentioned many times, when they happen to have the green signal here, basically, it means this is a relative low point, It's not absolutely low point. In my course, I will mention how to tell this is an absolutely low point, how to tell this is a point to get in. And today I will give you the trick also, okay? So today, I will only mention how to buy together with those private equity or those institutions, how to use an easy method. We can skip a lot of big hard work, like how to valuation stuff, because they have the whole team to do the valuation. Our trick, our small trick is just to follow them to buy, follow them to buy, follow them to buy. But again, I'm not doing recommendation to trade here. It's just for education purpose. And also, when this indicator happen, it is not necessary it's the lowest point. No, it just means relative low. For example, here, they have a signal here, right? They have signal here. It's not relative. It's not the absolutely low point. We need to buy at here when it is very the end of the low point, which is here. How to signal? So first thing is we need to have a trick with the YM chip entry. And today I will use Meta for to demonstrate you how to use it. Okay. So basically, we use the highest candle and the first candle of YM chip entry. Okay. We have two methods to use it. The first method is we find the highest point of the chip entry. Okay. So the highest one. Okay, the chip entry. So when we enlarge it, for example, here, this is the highest, right? When it's the highest, basically, where we do, this is a bit aggressive method. You could, it's high risk, but high return also, okay? So I tell you few methods. The first one is to, when they close above the highest candle, the highest price of this chip entry, the highest one, we buy in, okay? And then if they drop below of this candle, they close below, we sell, okay? So the loss is very limited. The second one, the second key candle is the first candle of this bar, okay? So the first candle, for example, is this one. This is a safe point to buy. You can see what happened is they struggle a little bit here, and then they go above, basically they go above here, and then you buy in. You hold, they did not drop below, you hold all the way up. Okay, and also the YM club loan to tell you the trend, right? From downward trend, they slowly changing to the upward trend. Okay, sometimes it's not 100% they change the trend right away because it takes time for stock to change the trend. Okay, and also it takes time for the institution to come in the stock. Sometimes they have big fund, it come in few times, and also they have more than one big fund or more than one big institution to buy the stock. That's why it's different. Okay, they have two buy-in points here. Okay, first strategy is to find the highest point of this YM chip entry, and then once they close above, you buy it. The second method is you find the first candle. Once they close above, we buy it, we hold. The cut loss is always on the key candle, the lowest price, okay? And the third method is when they pull back, touch as a support as this line, and then you buy in, for example, here, okay? The best is to go above this blue line, okay? Here is also a buying point. So what happened, like, for example, this example, okay, would be the first candle, the highest and the first one is the same candle. So it's so easy for you to tell you, hey, the next day is already jump above. So you buy in and then you hold the stock. This is a method to buy in, okay? So it's very simple method to tell you, hey, this is the low point. And you can subscribe it every month to tell you, hey, we have the opportunity, okay? So now we go back to, maybe we see a few more examples. What if they have one big area for this, how to buy, okay? So let me show you the example for you to have a better understanding. So when they happen, I told you many times, this only show you the relative low point, okay? It doesn't mean it's necessary, it's a high point. It's the buy point, okay? So what happened is you draw the first green candle, the first YM chip entry, the first one, you draw the highest price, and did it go above? No, so we don't have a buy point, okay? Second, let's look at the highest one. Did they go above? This one go above, yes. They also drop below here, so you stop loss here. Or if you don't mind to have a certain percentage of loss, you can also keep it, okay? So the next one, ho. And this one happened. The first one, nothing go above, so we continue. This one, we have the second one go above, you add position here, you add position here, and then they have green candle again. The first one is this candle, okay? If you see here, they also have a big gap down, okay? Everyone is so shaky. Wow, minus 24%. And then what happened there? Okay, they go lower and lower, and the institution buy more and more when people are selling. Okay, and then at this candle, they go above the first YM chip entry is the buy point. Okay, so basically, if you use this method, and you can see the trend is from down to up. So you can see how much profit you make. Afterward, it's go all the way up. Okay, so another one. How about the highest point? The highest point is a bit risky because sometimes it's not the end of the downtrend. It's not the end of the downtrend. But remember, sometimes it would take very long process for the YM chip entry, very long. So the price from the first one to the end, maybe the difference is too big. So you can use both method to enter this stock, to buy this stock. So for example, you buy here, they go above, you buy. They go above, you buy, okay? So, and then you hold the stock, okay? So it's a very easy method, okay? So right now, why I say this, by the way, this is only for education purpose. Why I say maybe we have another opportunity, okay? Look at recently here, we have one group of candles here. First strategy is to find the highest one. The highest one is here. First one is more aggressive one, okay? So we mark the highest price. Which candle they go above? This candle they go above. So highest one. Yeah, highest one is this candle. Which one go above this one? So this day you go basically on 5th of June, you come in to buy Meta. Okay. The second one is the second strategy is the first candle, the first YM chip entry candle, which is which one? Which is this candle on 11th of June. On 11th of June, you buy in. You hold it until now. Or you hold it. You still hold it. I'm still holding this. By the way, this is not recommendation. I just tell you what's the chart telling you. Okay. If you don't have this method with this big candle, with this big volume candle, yes, but how do you know the institution come in or they are selling the stock? You don't know, right? So you need extra indicator to tell you how they working, especially how they buy at the low. Okay, I know many people try to analyze the stock, like to look at the financial report, to look at the fundamental side, but remember those information we can be a bit smarter, just follow those big company, right? So the big company take the action, we just need to follow. That's it. Okay, is it easy? If easy, click like right now. So right now I told you three strategy, right? One is the highest one. The second one is the first candle, the first green candle. The first green YM chip entry is also the line to buy in. And the third one is when they pull back, okay? They pull back to the first candle of the YM chip entry, this one, and they use it as a support, then you buy, okay? So right now you tell me the third one, right? Because the first and second we already passed. The third one, they need to close above this price, which is the highest price, 502.8. This moment is 502.77. If the last 30 minutes or if the last 15 minutes, they close above, and I think Meta has a very good chance. This one is a good buy point. Okay, again, this is only for education purpose. Before you do any trade, please do your study first. And I hope you like this video. When you want to buy, when you want to sell, you need to give yourself a reason why you want to buy it. Don't buy it because of the news, of your auntie, your brother tell you, hey, to buy the stock. Don't do that. Okay, don't do that. Use use the fact, use the indicator, okay, to tell you, hey, institution come in. Okay, so this is quite good method to tell you this indicator called YM chip entry. You can subscribe my indicator bundle. You will have a whole indicator bundle to tell you how to buy, how to sell. Okay, another one I want to show you is YM chip to tell you the institution holding. Okay, what is going on? Is it strong? So first we have a lot of red chips, right? The purple is going upward, so it's strong. And the pink, we need the pink. Okay, we need the pink to go above this purple. It's a double confirmation. Okay, if you want to be safe, you can use a double confirmation to tell you, hey, this is confirm this is getting strong. Okay, so this is the update today. If you like this video, click like and subscribe and share with your friend. And your support means a lot to me. And I see you in the next video. Bye.